What's up, everybody? How's it going? I just want to go over a couple things. As you know, we are a authorized certified Rockford Fosgate dealer for off-road products. As of a couple days ago, we are now a certified authorized dealer for motorcycle also. We picked up the motorcycle side of Rockford Fosgate also. For instance, if you have like a 98 to 2013 Harley Davidson single din, this is the head unit that will go and fit into your bagger bike, into your fairing. We have speakers, we have stage 2 and stage 3 kits available right now. If it doesn't fit in your bike as the application for Rockford Fosgate, we can also custom make something that will fit or work with your bike with the Rockford Fosgate or other audio options that we have. Just let me know. Get a hold of us here on Facebook. Send us a message, send us a PM, text us, whatever. Let us know if you want some Rockford Fosgate stuff. Well, as you see, we just got a shipment in for our Rockford Fosgate for the year. So let us know what you want. If we don't have it, we can get it. We will hook you up with anything that you need and get you a good price on everything. So let us know what you need, and we will get it going for you. You guys have a great day. Thank you very much for Murray Power Sports. Thank you for supporting us and helping us get this going. We love you guys. We'll see you soon. We'll see you out on the trail. We also have flash capabilities. So if